Hi, I'm Christy, and this Miracle Mop truly is miraculous. Let me walk you through how easy it is to use. When you first get the mop, it looks like this. To get started, unlock the mop. Start with the top lock by spinning the lock in the opposite direction of the arrow. Then repeat on the lower handle. Let's soak up that miracle microfiber head. Here's the fun part. With one hand, pull the bottom spiral handle up so the mop head is in the extended position. Take the top handle and pull it up and simply pump it down. That's how easy it is. By 2 pumps, you're ready to mop. If you're a little taller like I am, you can also adjust the mop height using the top handle. Find your desired length and lock it into place. Let's go over how to remove and wash your braided Miracle Microfiber mop head. In order to wash the mop head, turn the mop upside down and find the latch in the center of the mop head. With your thumb, press down and then use your fingers to pull the latch open. Remove the mop head by sliding it down the length of the entire pole, and voila! It's ready to wash. To replace the mop head, insert the mop pole through the center of the mop head. Make sure the plastic ring on the mop head is aligned with the open latch and push the mop head down into the center of the cup. Simply close the latch until you hear it click. Then make sure the mop head is securely fit around the bottom handle of the mop. Just like that, you're clean and ready to mop all over again. Happy mopping!